Hey everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Here we make tech decisions easy on your wallet. Today we're cracking the code on two AI powerhouses, the new Phant AI Video Maker and Genmo. Which one should you use to create stunning content in 2025? I know many of us have been struggling to choose the best AI video tool for their content. So we're breaking it down for you to see which one gives you the biggest bang for your buck. We're going to compare the ease of use, the features, and price so you can make the smartest choice for your wallet and your workflow. Which AI video editor will you choose? Let's find out. Let's break it down quickly. Phant AI, let's start with the ease of use. Phant AI is super simple. Think of one-click magic. It's perfect for beginners and us finance guys who need results fast. While Genmo, on the other hand, is more of a creative playground. More controls, but has a slightly steeper learning curve, which is great for fine-tuning. Next, we look at the cool features. Phant AI has amazing features that are aimed at transforming old photos into moving videos. That is called Animate Image feature. It is legendary. It's amazing at transforming old photos into moving videos. Then we have Genmo. Genmo is a beast at generating brand new video clips and scenes from just a text prompt. Pure imagination. Let's look at the big one, the price. Phant AI often has a very generous free tier. Its paid plans, on the other hand, are straightforward and they're actually budget friendly. While Genmo uses a credit system, you pay for what you generate, which can be great for occasional use but tricky to budget for. Phant AI also has a credit system. Now let's go to the verdict. Choose Phant AI for quick, easy, and affordable image animation. And then you can also pick Genmo if you need to generate totally new, crazy innovative video content from your ideas. You see, both of them are awesome tools, but the best choice depends on your creative needs and your budget. Let us know your winner in the comments below. Smash that like button if this helped you save time and money, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.